How to retouch jewelry photos with AI. Full workflow. First, select Retouching. It's AI Studio. Upload photo, or I'm gonna use photos that I already have in the studio. Okay, it's a ring, professionally photographed ring, but as you can see, it needs to be retouched and retouched to be well. I'm going to use precision because with good photo quality like this one, precision, it's a AI model that we trained, that made specifically for very exact representation of the jewelry. But it requires a very good quality little photo. If you have bad quality, better to use rescue. But I'm gonna use precision for this. Retouch gemstones. Yes, it needs to be a little bit touch up a little bit. We're not going to remove all the imperfections because it's a very expensive ring, so the quality of gemstone is important to be the same. Just a little bit of cleaning. Then I'm going to use high 4 megapixel. I'm going to use 1:1 ratio, and this is super important. I'm going to turn on solid background control. With AI, you can never guarantee any color. It may change color of the background, and if you shoot for catalog, it's not good. Here I'm going to select, it's pre-selected, completely white background with the shadow. It's on because I need it with shadow. Then you see this was photographed and cropped relatively tight. It's too tight for my application. For the catalog, I need a little bit more distance around. So framing control is on. By default, I have set up for me 20%, meaning that 20% will be on the largest side. The rest will be according to the aspect ratio, which will be square. Okay, that's it. Everything is ready. PNG is the best format for this. Let's go and generate. First, it will validate to make sure everything is fine. So before you get charged, validator will let you know that's fine. Here is fine, so we're generating. Okay, we have our result. As you can see, the crop is exactly what we have, 20% of the size on the longest side, so 20% on top and the bottom, shadow underneath it, and it's perfectly square. If you look, it looks very, very good. We didn't remove any imperfections of the gemstones because it's important to keep it, but the rest is polished and nice, exactly as it would be done by a professional retoucher. All this cost about 40 cents. You can try it yourself. Get to NeuroViz.ai and you will have free 80 credits to try it and see if it will work for you. Subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.